What up, YouTube? Penny LS1 back with another one. As y'all can see, yeah, I done fucked up some shit. So this was that pulley that I put on last video. 4.5-inch pulley. This is an aluminum pulley, and this was the original. Now remember, the only reason I put that pulley on is because when I put on this alignment kit, which in my case was number, what we at, 21-2, because I was running the middle alignment kit. That original pulley was too big and it interfered with the power steering line fittings into the gearbox. Anyway, I was trying to take this pulley off and I broke the little groove right there that you get the tool into to remove it. Once that was done, that was pretty much shot. I couldn't get it off. So we took the pump off the bracket, and Bobby came by with a torch and a cutoff wheel, and that's what we came up with. So further research, it's actually in the damn manual, I just didn't read it. It said, warning, similar power steering pulleys such as the 97-154 can rotate the pump beyond recommended RPMs. To correct this, a 25% underdrive balancer should be used. Any pulley smaller than 6 inches. So I looked up, it would have been for the middle alignment F-body one, part number right there, PBU1480SS25. That pulley was $200 for the balancer. So what I'm gonna do, because I do have the type 2 pump, I'm able to run the standard and middle alignment. So as you can see, I've already removed the alignment bracket, so I'm back to the standard alignment, which is Corvette, CTS-V, and G8. Now all I have to do is change harmonic balancer. Now a stock balancer is like $68. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I guess I should have read the instructions first, but you know, it's all good. So I got everything I need. I got the balancer. I just need to get the tool to pull it off. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna press this back on. I'm gonna put that back on there and put the lines in just to make sure. I'm pretty sure I got clearance, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on before I pull off the crank pulley and make sure. Alright, man, Penny LS1, this was a quick one. Just showing y'all my mess up. So anybody out there that's running the Holley setup, this bracket kit right here, the 20-135, if you're running that setup in a GBODY with the 5.7, I repeat, 5.7, most guys are running the truck motors, and it's got the truck crank pulley which pushes everything out far enough. You fine. But if you're running the 5.7 LS1 out of a Camaro, you're gonna need the Corvette crank pulley in order to get everything to line up using a smaller power steering pulley. So in my case, I'm just gonna go with the original size power steering pulley, and I'm gonna change out that crank pulley to a Corvette, and I should be good to go. All right, man. Oh, before I go, I did install a fuel pressure gauge. Just got the Summit one. Got a AN fitting from the rail to a 90-degree, and it works fine. When the car is running, it's showing 60. And when it's not running, I think, like if I turn the key on, the ignition, it goes up to about 30, and then once I start it, it jumps up to 60. So we get good fuel pressure. I just wanted to keep an eye on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and next video, I'm gonna go ahead and get that harmonic balancer replaced. I've got my mass airflow sensor in there. Now I do have an intake on order. I just got one off YouTube, so as soon as that comes in, I'll take this coupler off. This is gonna go at the end by the filter, so the mass airflow sensor. I think I might have to lengthen these wires, but we'll see once I get it. I might just be able to cut some of that and pull it out, but we'll see. But alright, man, I ain't wanna keep y'all long, so we'll holler at you. Penny LS1, we out.